Let us carry out this integral from 1 to 5 of x cubed dx using Simpson's rule with 7 strips, trapezium rule with 7 strips, and with direct integration. This integral will look familiar to you. We've done it before, but we will use 8 strips. Now look at this. The rule here is that when it comes to the Simpson's rule, the number of strips n should be even. Alright? There should be even strips. But we're violating it using 7 strips. Let us see how that will affect our results. Now, here we have our table. We're going to do our calculations, right? We have values of x and we're going to have values of y. Now, here, if we cut from 1 to 5 into 7 strips, this is 1, this is 5, 5 minus 1 divided by 7. Divided by 7 is what we have. You see this? B minus A divided by n. So H is equal to 5 minus 1 divided by 7. So you have 4/7. So H is 4/7. H is equal to 4/7. Alright? So we have 1. Then 1 plus 4/7 is going to be 1, and 4/7, which is 7, 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 over 7. We have 11/7. Okay, so those are the values. I had paused the video and just wrote them in. Now notice this would be like 7/7, and you keep adding 4/7 each time. This would have been 35/7, which is 5. Alright? So basically, if you have the curve and you're starting here, you have your x and the y-axis. You start at 1. Alright? Are you going up to 5? So you'll have 11/7, 15/7, 19/7, 23/7. Let's draw the curve more like this. Alright, the strips there. Then we have 27/7, 31/7, 35/7, which is 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strips. I mean, we're starting at 1. So here, so with the first strip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strips, right? These would be y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. No, not y1. We're starting at y0. So we have y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7. So these are the y's we're going to have to calculate. So here we got 1 cube, which is 1, then 11 7 cube, 15 7 cube, 19 7 cube, just each of these cube. Alright, 27 7 cube, 31 over 7 cube. Oh, we know that 5 cube is 125. Now, here, let us look at our formula sheet. The Simpson's rule. So we have 1/3 h, open bracket. So using the Simpson's rule first. A. Alright, the integral is 1/3 h, open bracket. The first plus last, let's say f plus l, plus 4 odd, so 4 times the sum of the odd, plus 2 times the even ordinates, 2 times the sum of the even ordinates. Alright, so this is the integral, or the area is approximately equal to, so the area is approximately equal to 1/3. H is equal to 47, 1/3 times 4 over 7 times the first plus last. The first ordinate is 1, the last ordinate y, that would be y7. Well, y0 is 1, y7 is 125. So it is 1 plus 125 plus 4 times the sum of the even. So the sum of the even would be 15/7 cube. So you have 15 over 7 cube plus then 23, y4 is 23 over 7 cube. We have 23 over 7 cube plus, then you have y6 is going to be 31 over 7 cube. 31 over 7 cube. I close that bracket. Plus, then 2 times the sum of the odd. So the odd ones would be 11/7. So it's 11/7 cube plus then y3, 19 over 7 cube plus, then you have y5, 27 over 7 cube. Alright, so we work that out now. So the area is approximately equal to, that will be 4 over 3, 7, 21. 4 over 21 times 125 plus 1 is 126 plus, now you could work out these. I'm going to use my calculator to work them out. It's going to be quite a bit of a calculation, alright, with some large numbers. So work these out and see what you get. So what I did was pause the video and work these out. keeping them as fractions because I don't want to lose too much accuracy by writing them as decimal just yet. So I had 15 cube is 3375 and so on. 23 cube, this is 31 cube. 7 cube is 343. So each of them is over 343. 11 cube is 1331. 19 cube is 6859. 27 cube is 19683. And so on. Then I added the numerator, its common denominators. Remember your fractions. So it's 4 times this plus 2 times, add the numerators, right, to get these as fractions. So multiplied numerator by 4, multiply numerator here by 2, right? So this is the figure I get so far. So A is approximately equal to 4 over 21 times. I'm using my fractions calculator instead of the on-screen one. The on-screen one doesn't have a fraction feature. I have 126 plus 181 332 over 343 plus 55746 over 343 equals. Alright, turn it into fraction, I mean into decimal, but I'm going to use several decimal places. 817 point, I have 1895044 plus, then not plus, why am I writing plus, times. Alright, so I added these together, and this is what I get, right? And I multiply by 4 over 21 times 4 over 21 equal 155 655. 155 655. Alright, so 155 655. What was the accurate value again? It was, let's just use direct integration when we finish and work it out. Alright, so that was the Simpson's rule. Then we're going to try with the trapezium rule. So here, what we'll do is just continue this part of the question in our next video.